So integration is to find the area under the curve. This is we call that integration. So this is the curve here. So from this point is the H1, and another point is the H2. So this is the H. So this is the y equal to fx. So this f is the graph is the fx curve. So from H1 to H2. So H1 to H2, the area under this graph is we can find by the integration. So you can calculate. So this is the area under graph. So this is you can find from H1 to H2 fx dx. So this is we call the integration. Integration is the way to find the area under the graph. So this is we call the integration. Okay, so once we can also use a formula to make the integration. So integration h power n dx. So in this case, we can calculate h power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this is the indefinite integral. Indefinite integral is you ever have to put the c constant. So this is for h power n plus 1 dx is n plus 1 divided by h power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this is for this integration. So we make the example here. H power 7 dx. So integrate the h power 7 dx. So it will be the h power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 plus c. So this is about a power 8 by 8 plus c. So there's an integration h power 7 dx. We got there's h power 8 by 8 plus c. And similarly, you can also integrate it. Integration h power 1 by 5 dx. So this is that we indicate so h power 1 by 5 plus 1 divided by 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. So that this one we calculate. So this is the h power 6 by 5 divided by 6 by 5 plus c. So this becomes 5 by 6 h power 6 by 5 plus c. So this is the answer. So integrate the h power 1 by 5 dx, we can calculate by this way. Okay, another one is a h power minus 3 dx. So integration of h power minus 3 dx. So this one we integrate so that we use the same formula. H power minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So this becomes h power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. So this is minus half h power minus 2 plus c. So we go like this. And another one is so integration of h power half dx. So this is also the same way. H power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. So this becomes minus half plus 1 is h power half. So minus half plus 1 also half plus c. So this is 2 h power half plus c. So this is for the integration equation. Okay, another one is when you make the integration, you can also calculate for this addition. Addition function, you can also make the integration. For example, h power n plus h power m dx. So this one we can also integrate. So this becomes this is the addition. Addition, so you have to integrate the individual function. So this is the h power n dx plus integration of h power m dx. So this becomes h power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus h power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this is the differentiation. We can use it the same way. when you differentiate of the addition function, you can differentiate the individual and then you have S. And similarly, so for the you integrate the addition function, you integrate the individual things and then you can make the addition. So this is for the integration. Another one is when we make this the integrate. So this is the example. Integration x power 4 plus 2x power 3 dx. So the x power 4 plus 2x power 3 dx, we have to integrate. So this we integrate. So integration of x power 4 dx plus integration 2x power 3 dx. So this becomes the integration of x power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. So here is 2 coming out, x power 3 dx. So this is x power 5 divided by 5. So 2, this is a x power 3 plus 1 and 3 plus 1 plus c. So this becomes a x power 5 by 5 plus 2 x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. So by this way you can calculate it. X power 5 by 5 plus x power 4 by 2 plus c. That will be the answer. So this is the integrated addition function. You can integrate individually and then we can write like this. Okay, another one is when you make the integrate x power n dx. This and this must be the same. And similarly, so in this case you can write the x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Similarly, u power n du, you can also can write the equation u power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. But then, in this case, x power 2x plus 3 d 2x plus 3. This one also you can write the same way. 2x plus 3 power. So 2x plus 3 power n and d 2x plus 3. So this is a 2x plus 3 power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this is this one and this one must be the same. This one must be the same. So in this case you can use that formula. If it's not the same, you can't use that the same. But the thing is that you can also say x power 2x plus 3 power n dx is not equal to 2x plus 3 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Because this is 2x plus 3, this is dx. It's not equal. Not equal, you cannot write like this. Okay, so now that we solve the problem. Integration 2x plus 3 power q dx. So we want to integrate. So that in this case, important one is this is the 2x plus 3. So this d must also be the 2x plus 3. So if here we only got the dx, so we need to go back to the 2x plus 3. So firstly, what you do is d 2x plus 3. So d2x plus 3 means you made a differential. So d2x plus d3. So d2x is you got the 2dx. d3 is 0. So this is equal to 2dx. So then you can calculate dA is equal to d2x plus 3 divided by 2. So we got this relationship. After that you can now substitute here. Instead of the dA, you can now substitute it. d2x plus 3 divided by 2. So we substitute. So this becomes an integration 2x plus 3 power q. And so instead of dx, you can substitute d2x plus 3 divided by 2. So now this is 2 is coming out. So integration 2x plus 3 power q and the d2x plus 3. So this one we integrate. So this becomes a half 2x plus 3 power 3 plus 1x plus 3 power 4 divided by 4 plus c. So this is a 1 by 8 2x plus 3 power 4 plus c. important one is here you make this differential. This is 8 power n. This will also be 8. If this one is u, this one u. In this case, you can use this formula. But this one is 2a plus b. This is dh. You can't use this one. So in this problem, here you call it 2a plus 3 power 2. And this differential is only the 8. So this 8 you need to convert to 2a plus 3. So firstly what you have to do is you make the differential. You find the differential of the 2a plus 3 and then you can got that here. d2a plus 3 finally you got the d2 2dh and then the dh is equal to d2a plus 3 divided by 2. So this d2a plus 3 divided by 2 is substitute in the place of the dh. So that you finally you got the 2a plus 3 power 2 d2a plus 3 divided by 2. Then you can now, this is now the same 2a plus 3 here, also the with the d, there is also 2a plus 3. So now we can make the integration. Now we want to integrate integration of minus 3a plus 2 power minus 1 third dh. So this one also we want to integrate. So here you got is a minus 2a plus 3a plus 2, but with the differential only dh. So that firstly what you have to do is d minus 3a plus 2. Okay, d minus 3a plus 2. So this becomes d minus 3a plus d2. So make the differential d minus 3 is a minus 3 dA. So this is d minus 3a plus 2. So the dh you can also calculate. D is equal to minus 1 third d minus 3a plus 2. So by this way you can find a dh. So this dh you can now substitute here. So the integration of minus 3a plus 2 over minus 1 third. And then instead of dh you substitute minus 1 third d minus 3a plus 2. So this becomes the minus 1 third coming out. Integration minus 3a plus 2 power minus 1 third. And d minus 3a plus 2. So now you can use the formula. Minus 1 third minus 3a plus 2 power minus 1 third plus 1 divided by minus 1 third plus 1 and a plus c. So this becomes a minus 1 third here. And this is a minus 3a plus 2 power plus 2 by that. So this is 2 by that plus c. So this becomes a minus 1 third into 3 by 2 minus 3a plus 2 power 2 by that plus c. So this way you got the minus half minus 3a plus 2 power 2 by 3 plus c. So this is the answer. So integration is to find the area under the curve. This is we call that integration. So this is the ratio of the trigonometric function. In this case, we have to the differential and the integrate are the opposite. When you can differentiate the sine, you got the cos. But the inverse for the you differentiate the cosecant cos, you got the minus side. So d sine A is differentiate the sine A is the cos A, differentiate the cos A is the minus sine A. But for the integrate is opposite. Differentiate the sine A is the minus cos A, integrate the sine A is the minus cos A, integrate the cos A is the plus sine A. So this is the differential integrate are the opposite. So this means that d by dA sine A is equal to cos A. But integration sine A dA is equal to minus cos A plus c. And similarly, d by dA cos A is equal to minus sine A. So this one is the opposite to here. Integration cos A dA is equal to sine A plus c. And similarly, that you integrate the tangent A d by dA. Tangent A. So this is a secant square A. So this is the opposite here. Integration secant square A dA is equal to tangent A plus c. And also the d by dA. cotangent A. It's a minus cosecant square A. This is the opposite here. Integration cosecant square A. The A is equal to minus cotangent A. Minus cotangent A plus B. Okay, another one is that you differentiate the secant A. D by dx secant A is equal to secant A and the tangent A. This is opposite. The integration is integrate the secant A and the tangent A. Secant A, tangent A is equal to, this is the secant A plus C. And also the d by dx cosecant A is minus cosecant A and the cotangent A. So this is also opposite. Integration of the cosecant A and the cotangent A is equal to minus cosecant A plus C. So this is the relation between the integrate and the differentiation formula. You differentiate the side, you got the cos. But the integrate the side, then will be the minus cos. And you also differentiate the cos, then will be the minus side. But so integrate the cos, then will be the 3/8 dA. So we cannot directly integrate the tangent square, but you can integrate the secant square. The formula is integration of secant square A dA is equal to tangent A plus C. So this is the formula. So we got the formula. You cannot directly integrate the tangent square, but you can integrate the secant square. So integrate of secant square dA is equal to tangent A plus C. And also we another got the formula. So how does secant A and the tangent A are related? So there's a formula. Secant square A is equal to tangent square A plus 1. Tangent square 3A. Firstly, you have to convert it to the secant square. So this formula, secant square A is equal to tangent square A plus 1. So now that this is a tangent is a 3A. So secant square A is a tangent square A plus 1. So this is A here A. So therefore, secant square 3A is equal to tangent square 3/8 plus 1. So this one we got like this. So tangent square 3A is equal to tangent square 3A plus 1 is equal to secant square 3A. So from here you have to find the tangent square 3A. So the tangent square 3A is equal to secant square 3/8 minus 1. So then now we substitute. So then we substitute. Instead of the tangent square 3A, you can now substitute the secant square 3/8 minus 1. So secant square 3/8 minus 1 and the dA. You got it. So this is the integration of secant square 3/8 dA minus integration of dA. Okay, now we want to integrate the secant square. So that this is 3/8, this must be the 3/8. So divide by 3. So integration secant square 3/8 d 3/8 divide by 3 minus. So this is you got the 8. Okay, so now we integrate the secant square. So secant square is tangent A. So secant square A dA is tangent A. Similarly, secant square 3/8 d 3/8 is equal to tangent 3/8. So this becomes the tangent 3/8 by 3 plus 8 plus C minus 8 plus C. So this is the answer. So to solve that, then we have to refer as previous trigonometric function. So you know the sin A cos B is equal to half into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. And similarly, cos A sin B. So half into sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. And cos A cos B. Cos A cos B is half into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And sin A sin B. So sin A sin B is equal to half into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So those things are already given. So that we have to utilize that whole formula. Yeah, so firstly you see the sin cos. Sin cos is a differentiate. So the A is similar to the A, B is similar to the A. So that if you use the formula, firstly the sin A cos A. So this is half. So this is sin. So that instead of say you substitute A, you can substitute that 6A. So 6A plus A plus sin 6A minus A. So this becomes half into sin 7A plus sin 5A. So now you substitute. So integration of half into sin 7A plus sin 5A and a d8. So that this one becomes a half coming out. Integration of sin 7A d8 plus integration of sin 5A d8. So this is a half integration of sin 7A d7a by 7 plus integration of sin 5A d5a by 5. So this becomes as a half. So integration side you got the minus cos 7a by 7 minus cos 5a by 5 plus c. So this is a minus cos 7a by 14 minus cos 5a by 10 plus c. So this is for that we integrate, you go like this. Another one is you have to integrate the cos 3a and the cos 5a. So cos of function is this function. Half into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So a is similar to the 3a, b is similar to 5a. So we now use the formula cos 3a cos 5a. So cos 3a is cos 5a, so you use this formula. Half into cos 3a plus 5a plus cos 3a minus 5a. So we go like this. So cos 3a plus 5a and then cos 3a minus 5a. So this becomes a half and cos 8a plus cos minus 2a. So cos minus 2a is similar to cos 2a. So this is half cos 8a plus cos 2a. So the same. So then now in substitute, so the integration of half into cos 8a plus cos 2a and a d8. So this becomes a half integration of cos 8a d8 plus integration of cos 2a d8. Okay, now we integrate. So this is 8a, so this must be the 8, so that you multiply with 8. So this is half integration of cos 8a d8 by 8 plus this one also integration of cos 2a d2a by 2. So that this one we done as a half. So integration of cos 8a is a sin 8a by 8 plus cos 2a integration also sin 2a by 2 plus c. So this becomes a sin 8a by 16 plus sin 2a by 4 plus c. So that will be the answer. Okay, another one is a sin. So the sin 8 and the sin 3a. So sin 3a is we use the formula. Sin A sin B is equal to half into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So A is similar to the 8, B is similar to the 3A. So that we substitute here. So the sine A sine 3A. So sine 3A equal to half into cos. So 8 minus 3A minus cos 8 plus 3A. So we go like this. So this is equal to half into cos minus 2A minus cos 4A. So the cos minus 2A is equal to also the cos 2A minus cos 4A. So this is how we got. So then instead of the sine 8 and sine 3A, you can now substitute the half cos 2A minus cos 4A. So you substitute. So this becomes the integration of half cos 2A minus cos 4A. So, and a dA. So the half coming out. So integration of cos 2A dA minus integration of cos 4A dA. Okay, so this is we have to multiply both are 2. So this is half integration of cos 2A d2h by 2 minus integration of cos 4a d4h by 4. So this becomes a cos integration A minus sine 2a divided by 4, and cos integration is a minus sine, cos integration is a plus sine. So this is a by 4. Also this is a cos integration is a sine 4a. So this is a by 8 plus b. So the integration of tangent square 3h dA. So we cannot directly integrate the tangent square, but you can integrate the sequence square. The formula is okay, the next one is the integration of the exponential function. So this is the integration of e power u du is equal to e power u plus c. So this is the formula. To integrate the exponential function, this is equal to the same function you got. Okay, now we get the equation, the problem. Integration of e power 3h dA. So we want to integrate. The important one is that here, this is e power u, this must be u. So this is 3a, this must be a d3a. So this becomes the integration of e power 3a d3a divided by 3. So now you can integrate e power 3h by 3 plus c. And another one, another problem. So integration of h e power a squared dA. So we want to integrate it. So important one is that here is the e power a squared. Here is only the a. So that we have to find the dA squared. So important one is dA squared. dA squared is equal to 2 a power 2 minus 1 dA. So this is 2a dA. So 2a dA is equal to dA squared. Therefore you can get it 8 dA is equal to dA squared divided by 2. Okay, 8 dA is equal to dA squared divided by 2. So now you look at this original equation. Integration of 8 e power a squared dA. So this one you can make the change e power a squared a dA. Okay, so then now you can substitute 8 dA is equal to dA squared by 2. So that instead of the 8 dA, you can substitute the dA squared by 2. So this is equal to e power a squared dA squared by 2. So this is 2 coming out. Integration of e power a squared dA square. So e power a square dA square also e power a square plus c. Okay, sir. Okay, the next one is the integration of the exponential function. So this is the integration of